In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok age instantly, okay? So first, let's go to TikTok. And then let's tap on Me on the bottom right. And then let's tap the three dots at the top right. And then we want to go to Support. And what we want to do is report a problem. And then let's go to Select a Topic, Account, and Profile. Let's tap that. And then let's tap Editing Profile. And then let's go to Other. And then let's go to Still Have Problem. And then let's type age on profile is incorrect. You could even add a picture of your ID if you want. And then let's tap on Report. And then you're gonna be brought to the chat. And that is how you change your birthday on TikTok. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.